The X Factor, Introduction to Factoring by Amy Fishman. So, what do we do with something like x squared plus 4x equals 0? X squared and x are not the same thing. We can't just combine them together. But what we can do is something called factoring. Well, you know that x times x equals x squared. And also x times 4 equals 4x. So, x times the quantity x plus 4 equals x squared plus 4x.
Whoa! You just hold on a sec.
Okay, let's go through that one more time in slow motion. If we multiply 6 and 12, what do we actually do? First, we multiply the 6 times the 2 and write that down. So 6 times 2 is 12. Carry 1. And 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 equals 7. So we got 12 times 6 equals 72. Okay, that one we know. Now we have x plus 4 times x. First, we multiply the x and the 4. So x times 4 will give us 4x. Then we write down the plus sign in between and we multiply the x times the x, which give us x squared. It's a little tougher to start with x squared plus 4x and figure out what we multiplied together to get it. But hey, we're big shot algebra types now. We can handle it. That means we can rewrite x squared plus 4x equals 0 as x times the quantity of x plus 4 equals 0. Great! Just what does that get us? Well, it's like this. If you multiply two things together and get 0, then one or the other of the things must be equal to 0. So, in x times the quantity of x plus 4 equals 0, we know that either x equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. For x equals 0 part, there's nothing to do. X equals 0 and that's that. But we need to do a little work to find x when we have x plus 4 equals 0. It's an easy one. So, in x plus 4 equals 0, we subtract 4 on both sides of the equation. And we get x equals negative 4. So, our two answers are x equals 0 and x equals negative 4. Either one of those numbers could be put in place of x in the equation x squared plus 4x equals 0. And the thing would be true. Let's check and see. When x equals 0, x squared plus 4x equals 0 We substitute 0 to x, and we got 0 squared plus 4 times 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 is equal to 0. The equation x squared plus 4x equals 0 is true when x is equal to 0. When x equals negative 4, x squared plus 4x equals 0. Again, we substitute negative 4 to x, and we got negative 4 squared plus 4 times negative 4 equals 0. Negative 4 squared is equal to 16 plus 4 times negative 4 equals negative 16 equals 0. 16 plus negative 16 equals 0. Therefore, 0 equals 0. The equation x squared plus 4x equals 0 when x is equal to negative 4 is true. Since the terms we get at the end on each sides of the equal sign are equal to each other, the answers we are testing do work. The end.